Hello guys and welcome back Adventure Isle Jamaica, today we're out on the seaside. Yeah, me see them man. Today we're out on the seaside with two small river there, have a rod and thing. What is out the bait we modify today. The sea kinda rough, but not really matter. We are gonna test it today. Make you know what I'm going to see it catch on and reach up a river. So we are walk going up peeps. One sun bright. Hey man guys, so we come for fishing, water look rough. We plan for going to a river to boat. We no find rope. So for about the pass, I want to say about past 15 minutes we there pull out rope. Now we finally done now. So I go try a little fishing and thing, Yeah man. Man guys, so we reach from the river and I'm showing you a little nice river. Up there so deep. Get some guys, how them little holy parrot thing that we are swim with? Da! How are them red thing ya? How are them red thing ya? Some whole heap of red sitting there swimming in the water like a shrimp. Like shrimp. Yeah. They little bit of fine. A whole heap of them there. Hey man, Peter, I want to red thing. I don't know where them be. So I call my father. I ask him where them be. You know what I mean no more. So ask him. I go hear him say. Yeah man, fish in the water attack man, peeps. Because I see so whole heap of fish jump there so a while ago. Fish in the water man. Hey man, peeps. So I go test in the river here. And see what I go on. I try hooking up on the phone strap. The video might be a little shaky, with casting and all of that. So I go try my best and make you see what's going on, Yeah man. Peeps, so some whole heap of little jack and something in the water, And I don't know a shrimp lure where I use it. The shrimp lure wanna work. We try to get some real shrimp and throw it the said way, Get some little janga on them way, they throw it the said way. Because them day here are going with a crazy feeding frenzy. And it's like, watch it, look at a while ago them run up there, so man. I go try off of them right now. Yeah man. Soon catch I make you see what I go. Hey man guys, so me I try to fix the camera upon well not the camera, the phone upon my chest, And I can see what I go on. He set up. You don't know he set up already. And at the lower, when I modify yesterday, I have upon it. Yeah man, so I'm going to try to see if I can catch a couple of them jackets, I couldn't see what I going to say. Grab Boom, alright, that's what then come on, no catch peeps. Jesus Christ. Darling, I did have you over my head. Alright, peeps, so a while ago, me blower get caught from the tree above me. So I go through up there so and try, Must can catch something in the idea because we see fish and I like when I see fish. Fish there man, peeps. See them a run come right here, so but them now grab the lure. I don't know why. But I try things said way. Why peeps? I try a thing but fish then now grab it, so I try to catch up the phone. I don't want the phone going to drop in the water. Go closer to the water edge, Yeah man. Boy guys, rough out here. About 10 minutes me I cast the shrimp blow on my show, The jack them attack the little bait fish there on my show, but I made zero, so what I think me I go do, I probably put two of them, try to get some of the little bait fish them, and put like a little fine little piece of floater with a little piece of line, and just with a small hook. You don't know the smallest hook you can get, with a small hook, and drop it right now in upon the bed there, So when they swim through it, hopefully one of them grab it, hopefully, and we can show showing a little bait thing then when them a rush off again, peeps. When I see a red, fine fish the peeps. Some type of fish them in but I don't know what kind of fish. Yeah man peeps so. I will continue trying to make you know what go on. You rather work good at everything. The cast good but because with the phone from my chest it kinda hard. Kinda hard. And then like when I try to catch up the phone it now catch it when I throw the rod properly so that was just show when I catch something, you know. Yeah man. Outside said way. If me catch a snook, me change the one catch a snook, but in drop in a salmon I see when drop. Oh, see me here peeps. Bomba, me catch a little snook. Ratted him swim where him flick way. Me catch a nice little snook peeps. Nice one. See me here, him drop. See as me flick him pan land, him drop off fire lower. As me flick him pan land, he bugger drop off fire lower peeps. Look at that man. As me change the lower and show you no peeps, me show you shrimp when me catch him pan. Remember this one I did show in I unboxing. Look at this. That's same one I catch him pan. Same one as me throw it out there. Nice snook, you know. Nice little snook peeps. Can't say we no catch nothing. Come and see no good. We turn in a river. Yeah man. God provide all the time, you know. As a junior they would say, God is good all the time, God is good. I go back out there again, no peeps. Wickedness it name. Yeah man, but we have dinner. And can't say nothing to it. Yeah man. Out the sea but come from out there now with shrimp, with fish lure and no peeps. I watch. You can't do for my dinner, I don't know about sound. Yeah, fish in the me say peeps. Me wish me could have get fish show. The brown one me put on it. Peace people, me wish me get fish show no man. The brown one. See in there, see that? Oh, sure. Yeah. Yeah peeps so. Nice fish already. One that. Have many more figures said we. How are this? A chicken skin this? I can't chop so look at peeps. A rubber? Oh yeah, it look like a rubber peeps. Come here say chicken skin can't tough up so. Yeah man, one fish down in a peeps. One fish down. I go drop him from right so far from the water. Nice little snook. Nice small. Him not that big because you can see from hand size, but yeah man. Nice one. Yes peeps. Him father come through. Watch here, I want a little snook or jack. Snook. One more snook in a peep. One more snook. Snook. Two more snook that peeps. See there? How are them I say? Watch here. Yeah man, I send a video. Two same size snook. Look there. One and me even put up me watch out me even get for wash off me hand. Me and me I go for wash off and me here saying catch something. Yeah man peeps. Yeah man, I da lower and catch him pan you know. One of my lower them in take out of the lower pan. This in throat there and we still a go try again. I go wash off me and thing. Make you see what I go on. Yeah man.
Our land explore.
Yeah man, out here no.
Out here on Adventure Isle.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. They're small you know, but a bad time so we just do the act.
I make you see what I go on.
Video go on,
Peeps, me tell you know, the shrimp lure there, the fish lure they can never go wrong. Never. Out there we go back you know. Soon catch you know again. Yeah man, they can't catch you know. Yes peeps, watch out. Nice to come see him lure. Yeah man. Me say peeps, action out here, wicked, me catch a nice snook a while ago. And the drag the two loose so me go stop reel and try it tight the drag. And him get off. They go fix one of them shrimp here with some treble hook on it. Yeah man, I set it up for you. Yeah. Now make him jump back in the water. Hook hold him. Tell us say treble hook they not fear no gill no. Look at that man. Yeah, I back part in grab. I can't make the next lure like that now, no hook on it. Yeah, man, peeps, yo.
You don't have no other lure in there, one next one in there.
Yeah, what if lure in there, man?
Like brown one.
Yeah, man, what if I find teeth?
Yep.
Aye. Look a bug. Yes, peeps. 1, 2. I don't know which part. I can't run left with the camera. Watch it, 3 fish that in a peeps. out here, you know. We go back out there again. I want to show you action, you know, but boy, it's hard to set up your phone so here, so. But it kind of look a bit low, but I'm going to try catch it up, said way, you know. No, can't set it up because also the battery also are dead, so we can't set it up. So we can only show you the little clip them when we catch them. When we catch them and reel them in. Yeah, man. See them here, you know, three nice one. Out here, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. One more little mudfish, you know. Water tapping, Gary? One more little mudfish, you know. Out here without fear. As we would say, who said that one day again? Cameron TV, you know, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Watch it. Nice little mudfish again. I two of them look him. One in the bottom lip and one night up. Watch it. Hold on, catch it. From the angle where light are shining.
No escape. Two hook. One there, so one up there, so.
Yeah. And peep, so we get action and things said we know, but them now bite as fast from the big Snook gateway. Hey, me I say man, from the big Snook gateway peeps. Them been a bit jittery, you know. But we are try said we must get something else. Them bury down there. Yeah man peeps, so we are back to try catch again now. Stay tuned. Hey man guys, so watch ya. Lower get stuck in a man if you climb mangrove edge, you know, watch there. Watch there man. Man if you climb mangrove edge, you know. Yeah man, out here said we are making no know what going. One more mudfish, you know, peeps. The mudfish then love the blue lure. Watch it. One more mudfish that again, you know. Out here. Hold on. Yeah man peeps, so you probably going to see some little black line on the side of the screen because I don't know, the thing they changed up a while ago for me. I never realized the settings of the camera. I never realized, but we still out here fishing. We still going to see footage. Not change it, we not delete it. No, not get it just as is, you know. Yeah man, out here, you know. Alright it peeps, one more. Ha! One little mudfish. One smaller than the rest. The belly fat though, and I'm not from morning. One who catch that one at this time. I could leave one I want to run from the sticker, so I step funny, you know. Look where I catch him. One little piece I sit on the hold him, you know. I say, I just slide in a little lip part there. Peeps ask, we have action said, we say, I think I keep him. Put him on water, make him go on, no?
That one I survive.
I release it. That one I look kind of small. I release it.
It's smaller than the rest.
Let him go. Gone in no peeps. Man, we out here said we get action. So come up sting in here now. But when I go home, still I go and try. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, so we are try go up our next part now, but whole heap of bush. Probably have to go short near rod them. Easier travels and thing. But I saw we catch crab and them thing when a crab season. So we kinda know where we are going look away. We are going to try a thing and make you know where we're going there, man. Travel angles. Some bushes. Ugh. Space there through they can go, man. You rather want short and do. Man, we know some tall grass, you know, bush, you know. Probably if we short near them, we have a easier travel. And you know, a rod point, they're not talking or nothing. So, all I bush to traverse through everything. Some man are making low stuck away. So, how my foot them?
Mud.
Mud. How my waist mud reach. And since me pull out the lower side, third mudfish I catch them two top one. Them two top one and catch it two top one them since when I walk come back here. So, we can't catch fish out here, you know. Hey, whole heap of fish we catch, man, you know. String them up. And we are go back down in front because up here so hard for castle and something them kind of tight space, you know. So when we reach back, I hope you think, man. Yeah, if you walk now more than the motor, you think. So we go back down there, down in front and try again, you know. Test out back down there to see if we can get no more snook or anything like that. Because mostly mudfish we catch, you only get twice snook. But we still out here try, you know. Yeah, man. Guys, so reach back down the next part of the river now. This man I say, in the dark wait, and catch a nice mudfish as I walk away. In catch that one there. Boy, lower them body, you know. Watch it. Boy, look. I two then catch him, you know. Right there. Camera now focus, man. Yeah, man. See there? Yeah. Yeah. So, right, it didn't drop off. Hey guys, so we out here, we catch all heap of fish. Catch nice amount of fish can go and go fry and eat with bread. Yeah, man. So, still are fishing. Catch not more when I couldn't see what going straight. Yeah, man. Mr. Peeps, not even 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes since me stop the last clip. We know we not even find again. Nice. Another one. Funny man. Another one come fat. One more. One more.
Catch the action,
Yeah, man. I'm gonna get a GoPro, you know. Showing his string. Watch it. Fish pan string, no. Yeah, man. So, we're go and fishing send way again. When we catch again, make gonna see what man. Oh, I saw it on right in my eye. Yeah, man, you know, guys. I don't know about man stuck in line. I'm have to go pull it again. About the fifth time today. Anyways, we're done fishing. We're gonna scale up the fish them and thing. I go pull the line and come back, you know. Hold on. Yeah, man, guys. As me that say, I clean up the fish them. Head home. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's to all of you know. Yeah, man. Thanks to the likes, the share them, the subscribe them. Thank you very much, peeps. You want to reach like 100 subscribers before the year done, but we never reach that far. But we still have enough year, enough. We have next year and other years either way. No, nah, stop. Do we have the same way. As me say, I'm out.